because it's very early in the morning. Brian here and morning Sabi. She's there. We are now heading to Airlie Beach, which is the Whitsunday. It's very, very popular place, and apparently it's very nice too. Brian's been there. I haven't been in that place. He's gonna show me around. Gonna have a look around. At the moment we're on the road.
State Route 58.
We're gonna have a help from Google telling us where to go so that we don't get lost. We were on the road yesterday for, what was it, 7 hours? 7 hours, yeah. And we didn't take the main road. Mainly we used
catch this.
We used apparently it's a shortcut. Apparently,
Exit the roundabout onto Hanson Road.
according
Continue
to
on
Google.
State Route 58 for
Must use the water for cooling for the.
Yeah, I can see there's something in there. Wow.
See all the coal going in there? That's to feed the power station.
Coal?
Coal-fired power.
Oh,
Lovely,
okay.
dirty coal-fired power.
I didn't see any smoke. Maybe because it's not on. But I never seen a power station before. So these
Maybe
are all
they've got
new for me.
clean burn technology. Don't know what sort of operations happening here. The train line obviously picks up the coal, delivering the coal.
In 800 metres
to the
at the
port.
roundabout, take the second exit
It
and
is,
stay on Hanson Road, State Route 58.
What you call that? Conveyor belt? Conveyor?
Yeah.
There's a roundabout in the head.
Yeah, it's Rio Tinto here.
Rio Tinto. Yarwood.
Look at that, that's big conveyor belt going all the way out to the port. So they must be processing the bauxite.
In this side.
I reckon it'd be bauxite, that one. So in Gladstone you got coal, bauxite, and
Exit the roundabout onto Hanson Road.
natural gas.
Continue on State
on
Route
Curtis
58 for
Island.
20 kilometres.
Well, this would be good place.
Oh, you want
for
employment?
People, yeah.
You want
to-
employment?
If you want to earn good money, top dollar, you come in here and properties here also. We'd walk around in town yesterday and look at properties. It's pretty cheap. Houses here is cheap. It'd be good for people, couple that want to earn top dollar. You work even just for 10 years. In here, you'll be retired. If you know how to look after your money, of course. If you're a big spender, you'll be working for the rest of your life. Because you will spend a lot of money. But this is a good place to come and work. And you go and have a holiday sometime. At the same time, you earn good money. Isn't it, babe? Yep. Because Brian used to work in a mine site. I should have come with you those days, Brian, when you should have took me. We could have worked together. Oh la la. Just kidding. Yeah.
Well, I tried to get you a job.
I know, you did try to get me a job there. I given you my resume so that I can come and work in mine site.
You had to send it on to Darwin, and you didn't send it on to Darwin.
No, well, it wasn't my fault because I did realize,
I think somebody else didn't want you
to get a job. We checked out in the hotel. What time was it? I think exactly 6 o'clock, and it's now almost 20 to 7. We haven't had a breakfast yet. We're already on the road. Hopefully we will get to Cairns tomorrow. Hopefully. They go Mount Alarcom, climb, turn right. So there's a climbing. We don't want to go there. We want to go to Airlie Beach as quick as we can. We got a limited hours on the road because we will go to. We're only gonna look at Airlie Beach, the Whitsunday, just to have a look around. We didn't book an accommodation in there. We booked an accommodation in Bowen. So it's a long trip for us. It's gonna be another 8 hours on the road altogether from Gladstone to Airlie Beach and then Airlie Beach to Bowen. So we may only get 2 hours to have a look around Airlie Beach. Bye for now, Gladstone. That's a very nice walk we had yesterday, walking around, and of course we have beautiful sunset. So if you haven't seen my previous vlog, please do so that you have some idea what I'm talking about. See you for now, and see you Airlie Beach. This is a cattle field. You can see a lot of cattle in there, and of course it's absolutely dry and hardly no trees. A lot of trees are looking dead, dreadful. And farmers usually clear the land. So this is a Central Park.
We want to put Hungry Jack's on McDonald's.
Let's go have a Hungry Jack for change.
Yeah. I don't know how you get in there.
I don't know. Well, there's a drive-through there, but...
Are we driving through?
Nah, maybe we just get in. You
Go
reckon?
in and
I don't
go
know.
to the toilet.
Yeah. Alrighty, Hungry Jack. Here we are. Just gonna have a brekkie. We just had a breakfast. And I just realized that there's a line here, which is tourist attraction, the line of Tropic of Capricorn, but we passed it already. I thought it was somewhere here, so there we are. I didn't check, and it's too late for us to go back because we have a long way to go. So it's a bit disappointing that we didn't manage to keep an eye on it, which I think was even only alongside the road. And I tried to, well, I'd look on Google and it also says it could be close.
Okay.
Maybe because it's still early, it's not even 8:30. Sab, what do you think, Sab? Should we go back?
Yeah.
Your tongue turned blue. I really like to see it. I was born as a Capricorn,
Look.
you see. I'm a
See,
Capricorn. I'm a goat.
I'm a blue tongue.
Lizard. What is that? Oh shit.
It's a carrot or boat. He rolled,
Oh,
he rolled it
gosh.
with a boat.
Oh oh.